Both are correct. These two are simply negatives of each other. If we go with this direction, where by direction I mean the direction of this subtraction, we'll get a negative t-statistic because x bar for Wilma is greater than x bar for Gettysburg. A negative of a negative is a positive. If we go in the opposite direction, we'll get the same thing, only positive. Since we're doing a two-tailed test, it doesn't matter if our t-statistic is positive or negative. As long as it's in the tail and in the critical region, then we'll reject the null.